Yo, what's going on, guys? Today we're replacing a messed up toilet fill valve with a new Fluidmaster one. First things first, you want to shut off the water to the toilet in the house itself. You want to do one last flush of the toilet and then mop up any of the remaining water in the tank. You can do this with some towels or with a sponge or even a shop vac. Next, what you want to do is you want to safely and securely take off your water line, as well as the nut at the bottom of the toilet, bottom of the tank. Once you loosen that, the old valve should come out, no problem. So with the new valve out of the package, what you want to do is you want to line it up and make sure it's adjusted to the same level as the old one, just to make it easier on yourself. So you could do that by twisting the bottom neck of the new one and then make sure it lines up with the old. So then what you could do is you could place it into the toilet itself. You also want to make sure the overflow tube is turned on, and you could connect that to the tube into the tank. And then you want to secure that bottom nut at the base of the tank. Connect your water line, make sure everything's tight. Next thing is you want to turn on the water to the house, turn on the water shutoff valve, and watch it fill up. Give it obviously a test flush, see that everything's working good. And you guys should all be set up. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this helped. Talk to you later.